Hello, welcome to our Java programming series. Welcome to our topic number 22, Java method overloading. And guys, thank you very much for watching our tutorial for Java programming. And today is we're going to have the topic 22. It's about Java method overloading. So please do not forget to subscribe and like and ring the bell so that you could get the latest videos on SirParts Online. And you'll have the other videos for tutorial, IT tutorial. So let's start. Okay, so overloading. So method overloading. With method overloading, multiple methods can have the same name with different parameters. So example, you have here method, my method. This is also same my method. This is the third my method, and these methods have the same name, but it has different parameters. The first one is int. This one int x. Another is float x. Another you have here double x and double y. And let's us try to consider the next example, which has two methods that add numbers of different data type. This is our code. So the name of our class is overloading code, and our name of our program is overloading code.java. That is similar to the name of our class. And here we were able to create a method plus method int, and we also have plus method double. And here we have two parameters, int x and int y, while in the other method plus method double is double x double y. So both of these methods return the sum of the values of x plus y, the sum of x and y. And this is now our main method. Our main method do not return a value. This is because of this particular code, void. And here we use now our we have two values for our integer, which is 8 and 5. These are our arguments, 8 and 5, and it will produce a value of integer 13. And we also have here for the plus method double, we have two values, two arguments, 4.3 and 6.26. And here on this part we display the value of the declared variable, which is integer, and the other one is double. These are just plain string put in a double quotation, including this one. And we have the state concatenator symbol plus, and the variable my num1 and my num2, which is declared over here. These are these variables. They are now called the result of our two methods. So let's try to run this program, and it will display 13 for the integer and 10.56 for the double. Let's try to run. So we're going to, I already edited the run, and we have the overloading code.java here, and also down below we have the overloading code. And I'm gonna click this, and you have here 13 and 10.5999. So here in our code, 5, 6, I think there's just a little glitch, because if we're going to add this one, it will be 10.56, but our result shows 10.5559. Anyway, that's just little problem. Okay, so let's continue. We are going to disable this one so that we could proceed our next subtopic for this one for method overloading. So okay, so instead of defining two methods that should do the same thing, it is better to overload one. That's what happened. That's what happened in our previous example. No, so here in our example below, we overload the plus method to work for both int and double. So let's try to check the code. As you can see here in this code, we like to disable first. Okay, so see here for our next program, we only have one method. In our previous example, we have two methods: the plus, the method for the int, and the method for the double. So what we do in overloading is that we have one name, this one and this. They are all plus method, and this one the value is int, no, and below is double, and you accept two parameters, int x and int y, while here you accept double x and double y as our parameters. And as you can see here in our main method, this is our main method. Do not forget that the main method is very important in our making of the running our program, because that's the first program that will run in our code. Okay, so we have here, as you can see here, we created two variables, mynum and mine2. The data type for this is integer. Meanwhile, this one, the data type is double, and the value is, we use now the method, which is plus method, and we put the arguments 8 and 5, while here the arguments is 4.3 and 6.26. And this one, these are our output. We use a system.out at print line. This is the text, this is the concatenator, this is the variable mynum, and same, it will display same, but we just overload, no, because we have two we have only same name, no, same name for the methods. So I've said, multiple methods can have the same name as long as the number and or type of parameters are different. So the type of parameters are different. This is double, this is integer, and they have the same method. So let's try to run this program and see what is the result. So let's click run, and there you go. It's just the same output, but what's the difference between the two is that we were able to create just one method, and that is overloading. And thank you very much for watching our topic number 22, and I hope you were able to do the task. Try to make the code and run, and please feel free to write in the comments if you have problems with your code. Thank you very much, and always remember, learning is lifetime. Bye everyone.